Have you ever wondered how plastic bottles are made? From the water bottle you drink from every day to soda and juice bottles, plastic bottles are everywhere in our daily lives. But very few people know what happens inside a factory to turn raw plastic into perfectly shaped bottles. In today's video, we'll take you inside a plastic bottle manufacturing factory and show you the complete step-by-step process, from raw plastic material to the final packed bottles ready for delivery. So stay with us till the end to see how millions of plastic bottles are produced every single day using advanced machines and modern technology. Plastic bottles are usually made from a special plastic material called PET, which stands for polyethylene terephthalate. The factory receives PET in the form of small plastic pellets or granules. These granules are lightweight, transparent, and specially designed to be safe for food and beverages. Before they are used, the granules are carefully inspected to make sure they meet quality standards. After inspection, the PET granules are dried using powerful drying machines. This step is very important because even a small amount of moisture can weaken the bottle or cause defects during production. Once the PET granules are fully dried, they are fed into a machine called an injection molding machine. Inside this machine, the granules are heated to extremely high temperatures, usually between 260 and 280 degrees Celsius. As the temperature increases, the solid plastic begins to melt and turns into a thick liquid form. This molten plastic is carefully controlled to ensure it has the right consistency. At this stage, the plastic is ready to be shaped into the first form of a bottle. The molten plastic is injected into specially designed metal molds to create preforms. A preform looks like a small test tube-shaped plastic piece with the bottle neck already formed. This neck is exactly the same as the final bottle's opening. Preforms play a very important role because their quality determines the final bottle's strength, thickness, and durability. After molding, the preforms are cooled down and collected, ready to move on to the next stage of production. Next, the preforms are transferred to a blow molding machine. Before they can be shaped into full bottles, the preforms must be reheated. Infrared heaters warm the preforms evenly until the plastic becomes soft and flexible again, but not completely melted. This step requires precise temperature control. If the plastic is too hot or too cold, the bottle thickness may become uneven, which can affect quality and strength. The heated preform is placed inside a bottle-shaped mold. Once the mold is closed, compressed air is blown into the preform at very high pressure. As the air fills the inside, the soft plastic expands outward and takes the exact shape of the mold. Within just a few seconds, the plastic cools down and hardens into a complete plastic bottle. The mold then opens and the finished bottle comes out. This process is extremely fast, and some factories can produce thousands of bottles every single hour. After molding, every bottle goes through a quality inspection process. Advanced machines and trained workers check each bottle for correct shape, proper thickness, smooth neck finish, and any cracks or leaks. Bottles that do not meet quality standards are automatically rejected. These rejected bottles are not wasted. Instead, they are crushed and recycled inside the factory to be used again in production. Once approved, the bottles move to the packaging area. Depending on customer requirements, the bottles may be packed directly, sent for labeling, or transported to filling plants where they will be filled with water, soda, juice, or other liquids. The bottles are usually packed in plastic bags or cartons, stacked neatly, and prepared for transportation to markets and factories around the world. And that's how plastic bottles are made, from tiny plastic granules to the bottles we use every day. This highly automated process combines technology, precision, and speed to meet the massive global demand for plastic bottles. If you enjoyed this factory process video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing manufacturing videos. Thanks for watching.